Imagine this. Wall Street isn't being run by hedge fund managers in suits, but by lines of code running on powerful servers. Picture an AI that scans global markets, reads news headlines, tracks patterns, and trades in milliseconds, beating human traders at their own game. Lately, some headlines and YouTube titles have been making waves, claiming that OpenAI is starting something called Tradebot, a system designed to take over stock trading. But is this claim true? Has OpenAI really decided to move into the world of finance with an automated trading robot? Or is this just another example of AI hype colliding with the imagination of internet storytellers? In this video, we're going to break it down. We'll separate fact from fiction, explain what OpenAI is really working on, show you how AI is already used in financial markets today, and explore whether a future where AI dominates trading is closer than you think. Stick around because the truth may surprise you. Clarifying the claim, what's real versus rumor. The first thing we need to do is get one thing straight. There is no official Tradebot product from OpenAI. As of 2025, OpenAI has not announced, developed, or released anything called Tradebot. The rumor likely spread because of confusion between OpenAI and an actual company called Tradebot Systems, Inc. That company is a high-frequency trading firm founded back in 1999 in Kansas City. It's been around for decades, long before OpenAI even existed, and it has no connection to Sam Altman or the OpenAI team. Another source of confusion is that OpenAI recently launched bots on its platform. These bots are small applications you can build using GPT technology, like a customer support bot or a language tutor. Some people misread this announcement and assumed OpenAI was releasing a trading bot. In reality, what OpenAI has released is simply a platform for building GPT-powered assistants, not an official financial product. So when you hear OpenAI Tradebot, what you're really seeing is a mixture of hype, miscommunication, and clickbait. OpenAI's real focus is on developing general-purpose AI models like GPT-5, GPT-4o, and specialized reasoning models. These systems are designed to help with problem-solving, coding, text generation, and reasoning tasks. Their official direction is centered on making AI useful for education, research, software development, customer service, and productivity, not for direct stock market speculation. OpenAI has also been very vocal about its commitment to safety and alignment. Its public charter explicitly states that the company wants to avoid using AI in ways that could cause harm or destabilize important systems. Financial markets are highly sensitive, and an unregulated AI trading bot could cause massive swings. That's not something OpenAI wants its name attached to. Instead, what they've done is release APIs that developers can use for their own projects. If someone wants to use GPT to analyze financial news or generate trading strategies, they can, but that's not OpenAI's official business model. How AI is being used in trading today, even though OpenAI isn't launching Tradebot, AI is already deeply embedded in the financial world. The biggest hedge funds and trading firms have been using machine learning and algorithmic systems for years. What's changing now is the use of advanced AI models, especially deep reinforcement learning and large language models. In academic research, reinforcement learning agents like PPO, proximal policy optimization, and DDQN, double deep Q networks, have been tested on stock indexes and even cryptocurrency markets. In many backtests, these AI models have outperformed simple strategies like buy and hold. For example, studies published on Archive show that these systems can learn to time entries and exits more effectively than basic methods, although performance depends heavily on the data used and the market environment. Another trend is the use of large language models like ChatGPT to read and interpret financial news. One recent study found that ChatGPT could actually predict stock movements based on news headlines with surprising accuracy, especially when the headlines were negative. This means that language models are getting good at sentiment analysis, which is a powerful tool in finance. On the practical side, independent developers and small traders have started using APIs like Alpaca to connect AI models with brokerage accounts. Some of these bots are programmed to scrape Google News, analyze sentiment using OpenAI's models, and then place trades automatically. Others rely on real-time news feeds and trigger buy or sell signals based on whether headlines are interpreted as bullish or bearish. These systems aren't perfect, but they show how fast AI is moving into the retail trading space. Why OpenAI isn't launching a real Tradebot yet. There are several reasons why OpenAI isn't entering this space directly. The first is regulation. Financial markets are among the most tightly regulated sectors in the world. Launching an AI that executes trades would require licenses, compliance frameworks, and constant oversight. It's not as simple as releasing an API and letting people trade. The second reason is safety. OpenAI's mission is to build safe and beneficial AI. A trading bot, if left unchecked, could create enormous problems. Imagine an AI that misinterprets a news headline and starts dumping billions of dollars in stocks. That could destabilize markets and harm millions of people. This kind of systemic risk is exactly what OpenAI wants to avoid. The third reason is technical complexity. Building a profitable trading bot isn't just about having a smart AI. You need low-latency infrastructure, direct exchange connections, risk management systems, and constant monitoring. It's a massive engineering challenge, something specialized trading firms spend billions of dollars on. Finally, OpenAI's business model doesn't require it. The company makes money by selling API access and subscriptions to ChatGPT. Entering financial trading would be a huge pivot that doesn't align with its current goals. What AI trading tools look like in practice. Even though OpenAI isn't doing this itself, developers and traders are already experimenting with AI-powered bots. Some people build custom GPTs that analyze technical indicators, generate Python code for trading strategies, and connect to crypto exchange APIs like Binance or Coinbase. These bots can automatically backtest strategies, recommend trades, and even place orders. Others use platforms like Alpaca, which integrates directly with GPT agents. You can set up a system where a news headline comes in, the AI scores it as positive or negative, and then a trade is executed automatically. These systems are often used for small-scale trading or paper trading to test ideas safely. In the crypto world, open-source projects have popped up where reinforcement learning agents are trained in simulated markets using tools like OpenAI Gym. These experiments show how an AI agent can learn to buy, hold, or sell based on simulated data. While these bots aren't ready for large-scale financial markets, they are powerful demonstrations of what's possible. So, is OpenAI starting Tradebot? The answer is no. That headline is more rumor than reality. What's true is that AI is becoming a bigger part of financial markets every single day. From reinforcement learning agents that learn trading strategies to language models that interpret news headlines. But a full-scale, open AI-backed trading system doesn't exist, at least not yet. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into AI, finance, and technology. And let me know in the comments, would you trust an AI to manage your investments? Or do you think humans should always stay in control? See you in the next one.